If you're wondering why German and English have a lot of similarities, here's the answer. The relationship between German and English is an ancient one. Both languages are Germanic languages, meaning they're coming from the same language family. That's why you can see some similar words like the following examples. Photo. Photo. Mikrofon. Microphone. Glas. Glass. Okay, that's enough. Oh, nice to see you again. Herzlich willkommen auf unserem neuen Kanal Germansy. Hier spricht wieder Germansy und ich bin Deutschlehrer vom Beruf. You may have noticed in the beginning that there are a lot of similarities between German and English, like we mentioned before in our first video, right? Now we have a question, which is, why? Warum? What is the reason behind these similarities? Well, did you hear about something called Germanic languages before? Germanic languages are a branch of the Indo-European language family, and they're spoken natively by millions of people in the world. German is of course a Germanic language. German, Germanic, Germany, Germansy. English is also the world's most widely spoken Germanic language. This means that German, English, and other languages are coming from the same language family. Aha, that's why there are a lot of similarities between these two languages. Okay, good to know. This makes learning German a little bit easier, and I tell you what, you know already some German words, or at least you can understand them once you hear them. You don't believe me? Okay, let's play a game. Ich gebe dir 10 Wörter, I'll give you 10 German words, and you try to guess the meaning of them. At the end, we'll see together how many words you could guess correctly, and you can write me down in the comments below your score out of 10. Bist du bereit? Lass uns beginnen. Wort Nummer 1. Kreditkarte. Kreditkarte. Kreditkarte means credit card. Wort Nummer 2. Familie. Familie. Means family. Jetzt kommen wir zum Wort Nummer 3. Telefon. Telefon. Which means telephone. Wort Nummer 4. Präsident. Präsident. Which means president. Noch ein anderes Wort. Wort Nummer 5. Haus. Haus. Haus is house. Und jetzt Wort Nummer 6. Universität. Universität. Which means university. Wort Nummer 7. Tourist. Tourist. And this means tourist. Wort Nummer 8. Maschine. Maschine. Which means machine. jetzt haben wir das Wort Medizin. What does it mean by Medizin? Yes, right. It means medicine. And now the last word. Ring. Ring. Ring means ring. So, dear friends, how many words could you understand correctly? I'm pretty sure you could understand them all. And by the way, these are not the only words that are similar to English. There are a lot of other examples too. Other examples like chat, video, Musik, Kassette, Onkel, Lampe, and a lot of other examples. Let's see. Film, Elefant, Park, Hotel, Banane, Tomate, Kabel, Baby, and a lot of other words. Are you still there? Schreib mir bitte in die Kommentare, wie viele Wörter du richtig vermutet hast. Don't forget to write me in the comments below how many words you could understand correctly, and in our next video we will learn together how to introduce ourselves in German. This is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and your support, and I'll see you next time. Macht's gut, wir sehen uns. Tschüss!